Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to change language on Threads, and now let's dive right in. Now to change language on your Threads app, first open up your Threads app on your phone. And after opening your Threads app, guys, you land on this interface, which is the home interface of Threads. And on this interface, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see a person or profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear. And when you land over here, you can see the two-lined icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the two-lined icon at the top right corner of the screen, just beside the camera icon over here, and you land on this interface where, in order to change a language on Threads, guys, you can see this option where it says language just above the help over here, or just below the account. Tap on the language section, and all of the languages available on your Threads app will be available over here. Now in order to change to it, simply tap on the language that you want to change to it, and then a moment later it will restart and it will be changed like this. So this is how you will be able to change a language on Threads. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.